In this video, we're going to replace this mirror cover on this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. I'm going to take a trim tool, and while I push on the mirror a little bit, just get underneath right here. You can use multiple trim tools. Just try to get underneath and just pop it out. Just like that. And it slides right out. You can see the clips. It just pops outward, and it's clipped in above as well. And take the new cover. We're just going to slide it starting at the top. Just clip it in. And then push it in, and it snaps right in.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.